Just a moment, I'll be quick.
Seriously? Why is this truck just sitting here? Why aren't they moving? Come on, I don't have all day. What are they doing? Delivering a package or writing a novel?
This is ridiculous.
Move it! This is ridiculous!
Is she ever going to stop blowing that godforsaken horn?
Finally, they're gone. That took forever.
I hope her horn goes out. This way she has to go back and explain why. That would be poetic justice. And if she has to lie about it, she'll know that she's wrong.
Oh no. Now what?
Acting up. What happened?
You see, there was this squirrel. It ran out in front of me and got stuck under the hood. It kept hitting the horn, but every time it tried to get out.
A squirrel, huh?
Yeah, it was like a scene from a cartoon. Poor little guy made it out, but I think the horn took a hit.
Right, get the horn checked out and try to keep your cool out there.
Will do. Thanks, boss.